Hello children. Now today we are going to read some pictures. These pictures are very familiar to you. Earlier with the letters we read these pictures and we know the letters. Now today we are just reading the pictures. Okay, the first one here, turtle. What is this? Turtle. Right? Now here, umbrella. What is this? Umbrella. This one, monkey. Monkey. Here, nurse. Nurse. Okay, next one, lion. Lion. This one, igloo. Igloo. Okay. Here the next picture, jam. Jam. This one, hamster. Hamster. What is this? Hamster. This is, what is this? Flower. Flower. This, what is this? Kite. Yes, kite. This one, cupcake. Cupcake. This one, elephant. Elephant. Okay. Now here, a dog. Dog. Okay. Now this one, apple. What is this? Apple. Here, zebra. Zebra. Here, xylophone. Xylophone. Here, volcano. Volcano. Okay. This one, window. Window. Here, bee. This is bee. This is yogurt. Yogurt. This one, penguin. Penguin. This one, giraffe. Giraffe. This one, orange. Orange. This one, rabbit. Rabbit. This one, queen. Queen. Here, snake. Snake. Okay, that's all children. I will read the alphabet for you. Can you remember we learned the alphabet song? Shall I sing it for you? Okay? Okay? Okay. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Happy, happy, we are happy when we learn our ABC. Okay children, that is the alphabet song. Earlier what we did, we read pictures. All the alphabet pictures are here. Okay, we have learned capitals, letters and simple letters. Okay, thank you for listening, children. Hope you enjoyed the lesson. Thank you very much.